Affiliate marketing tips to help you get ahead. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to earn an extra income at home. However, it is more than just throwing together a website. There are things that you should do in order to become successful in affiliate marketing. Here are some tips to set you on the right path. Consider weekly or monthly prizes. Visitors will keep coming back to your site to see what the prize is. Don't forget to keep their interest by providing relevant information that they want to learn about. This is also a good way to get sign-ups to your newsletter. Tell them you will notify them about the prize through email. Be honest to your readers and disclose your affiliations. Readers know an affiliate ad when they see one, and they will appreciate your honesty. It'll make them feel better about supporting you by using your referral link. Furthermore, honesty is important in generating a loyal reader base that will continue to generate money in the future. Pay attention to the cookie duration of the parent site of your affiliate marketing program. A site visitor's cookies tell the parent company that you sent them that traffic and allows you to receive that commission. If the cookies expire after a very short period of time, the parent company is likely trying to cheat you out of valuable commission dollars. Only choose to work with companies that offer current statistics. You want to be able to keep up with all the methods being used to bring in sales. Data that is out of date may not give you the accurate information you need to adjust your methods to the ones your customers use the most. Look around for a mentor in affiliate marketing if you are not sure how to approach the business. There are thousands of successful affiliates out there who will lend you advice to get you started. You are not their competition at this point, so most are happy to help out. Check around the blogosphere and find experts in the field. After you get your foot in the door with affiliate marketing, you shouldn't rest on your laurels. Begin seeking out new opportunities and expand your horizons. Make another blog or add another domain to your host server and interlink your sites so that your current customers can check out your new venture. Develop different site for different affiliate programs, especially if the products that you are advertising are very diverse. You can use subdomains to cut down on cost. If you have 10 different affiliate programs going, do not try to make them all fit within your one site. You may confuse your visitors. Find a quality affiliate program to work with. They should provide you with the tools that you need to be successful. They will offer things like banners, recommendation letter templates and text links and teach you which techniques work the best under different circumstances. These things will make it easier for you to get started. You can see that it takes a bit of learning, in order to become a successful affiliate marketer. The suggestions described here are just some of the things that you should know and apply to your business. If you keep gaining knowledge and are willing to work hard on your business, you will become successful. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.